Find the solution. Show your work by using the circle tool to draw two color counters. So the first thing that needs to happen is that this needs to be changed to addition. So we have 2 minus 6. So I need to do keep, change, change to make this addition. So 2 minus 6. I'm going to keep, I'm going to change, and then change. So this is going to become 2 because we're keeping that the same. It's subtraction. I'm going to change it to addition. And then I have a positive 6, which I'm going to make a negative 6. So we have 2 plus negative 6. So now I can add using my two color counters. So I'm going to start with yellow. Okay, so we have 1, 2. And then I'm going to add my negative 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then I'm going to get rid of my 0 pairs. So get rid of this one. So there's the first 0 pair, the second 0 pair, and now I'm going to count what's left. So I have 4 counters left, and they're red, so they're negative. So 1, 2, 3, 4. My answer is negative 4. So 2 minus 6 is equal to negative 4. And if I were to do that on a number line, I'm going to do the same thing. So I need to first change this 3 minus 6 to addition. So we're going to keep, change, change. So I'm going to keep the 3, change subtraction to addition, and then change my positive 6 to a negative 6. So I have 3 plus negative 6. I'm going to start on 3. So here's 3. And I'm adding a negative, which means I'm going to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my answer to 3 plus negative 6 is negative 3.